Hi, I'm Mira from Flow with Mira. Today we will be doing 5 Pilates hip strengthening exercises. You can do these exercises on top of a workout as a booster or repeat these 5 exercises 3 times for a full hip workout. So let's begin the class. First exercise is pelvic curl with hip lift. So go ahead and lie on your back. We will be doing about 10 repetitions of each exercise. So place yourself in a supine position with the feet hip width distance apart, the chest nice and open. Let's do 2 pelvic curls, before we do the hip lift. So let's go ahead, scoop the belly in, curl the pelvis, press all the way up to your bridging position, opening across the front of the chest. In breath. Exhale, let's roll the spine down. Going back to the neutral position. Let's do it again one more time, and then we're going to stay up for the hip lift. Exhale, let's roll it up all the way to the bridge. Now hold that. Make sure your pelvis is nice and high and your feet are still in parallel. Now fold through the hip as we inhale. Curl the pelvis, press up for 1 and lower. Curl the pelvis, press up for 2 and lower. Curl up 3 and lower. Curl up 4 and lower. Curl up 5 and lower. And 6 and lower. 7 and lower. 8 and lower. 9, 10, hold an in breath. Exhale, let's roll everything back down again. Awesome. All right, exercise number 2 is our shoulder bridge prep or shoulder bridge. So we go ahead, roll it up again to the bridge position. Now place your left foot down, right leg up to tabletop for the shoulder bridge prep or straight leg for the full shoulder bridge. I'm going to do the full shoulder bridge here. So we exhale lower. Inhale, flex up. If you're doing the prep, just tap and lift. Tap and lift. And again. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Point. Roll down the spine. And we roll up again. Bend the knee. Take the foot down. Reestablish a pelvis position. Let's go to the other side. To your shoulder bridge prep or straighten all the way. And let's go down. Inhale up. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last 10. Hold. Point. Roll down the spine. And roll up again. Bend the knee. Take the foot down. Reestablish a pelvis position. And roll the spine back down. Well done. Number 3 is our leg circles. So straighten the left leg. Take the right leg up to the ceiling. Dorsiflex. And keep your arms by the side or T position for more stabilization. All right, from here, keep the legs parallel across the body. Circle down as you inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And 4. Exhale. And 5. Exhale. And 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Exhale. 10. Exhale. We stay. Reverse. We go in breath. Exhale. Inhale 2. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. 8. 9. 10. Stay. Point. Bend the knee. Take the foot down. Bring the left leg in. Straighten the right leg. Extend the left leg up. Let's do it again. Across the body. Inhale. And a 2. This is a 2, sorry. And a 3. And a 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold, reverse, out, in, down. Exhale, and a 2. Exhale, and a 3. And a 4. And a 5. And a 6. 7. 8. 9. Last set, 10. Point the foot, bend the knee, take the foot down. Bend both knees, turn around, face me. Number 4, we will do our clamp. Now from here, we're going to go onto our forearm here. Bend the knees, stack the feet together, align the feet with the spine. Hands behind the head, or if you need more stabilization, we can have the hand right here. Okay, now we're going to lift the pelvis up. Hold that. If this is too challenging for you, you can keep the pelvis down. All right, for the clamps. And we open for 10. And 2. And 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. And a 9. Last one, hold 10. Straighten the leg. Hold for 10. 9. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee, close the leg, come on down. Other side. On your forearm, knees together, feet together. Lift through the spine, and you can stay down, or you can also lift the pelvis up with me. And we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We hold, extend, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend, close, lower. Well done. Last exercise is our hip circle on a quadruped kneeling position. So let's have your right elbow down. So your right forearm is down on the floor. Now extend the left leg behind you. Okay, hold that. I want you to lift the leg up. Hold that position. And let's go to your leg circle or hip circle. Down. We go out, around. And 2. Out, around. 3. And 4, 10 of this, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, reverse, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and release. Well done. Okay, other side. I'm going to just turn myself around. So we have left elbow down, and now forearm down. Extend the right leg, lift up, hold the center, and let's go down, out, and 2, out, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. We'll reverse. We take it up, side, and 2, and 3, and 4. Stabilize the center. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 10, and bring it in. All right, sit back, quick rest position, and roll up the spine. All right, that was our 5 hip strengthening exercise. Have about 1 minute rest, and then you can repeat the exercises 2 more times for a full hip workout. Rewind the video and start all over again. Congratulations on completing the class. Well done. I'm Mira and I'm here to help you to look and feel your absolute best through Pilates. If you enjoyed this video, you will love my free Better Postures in 5 Days program. Click the first link in the comments and sign up. I will instantly send you a daily email with a 15 to 20 minute workout each day. This workout will work your whole body to help open, stretch, and strengthen your posture. Your spine and body will love you. Don't forget to like and comment with any question you may have about Pilates. Subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any of my free Pilates video. See you in the next class.